Look what we have here. Yeah, I'm breaking it down. You know what I'm saying? Gotta clean all that up. Oh shit, bye. You know what I'm saying? Bye bye. You know what I'm saying? Out of there. Yeah, out of there. Man. Stock. Man. Man, oh man. See what we got up in here. Broken down. Said I was gonna do it. Breakdown. You know what I'm saying? Get all that old stuff out. And bring that new in. You feel me? It's dirty. Dirty. It's like Dirty Harry. You know what I'm saying? Get all this out of there, boy. Yeah. This motor good. Might be good. Get it all cleaned up. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have to wrap this. To the grizzle. You know what I'm saying? Yep. Get that out of there. Get all that out of there. Mm-hmm. I'll be back. I'll be back. Oh, man. Leave that over there. Yes. Yes, sir. Uh, yes, sir. Man. Finna get all this shit clean. Put some stuff in the hose. Yep. Come back. Yep. This shit was all cracked up though. That's why I brought gaskets. Got everything. I'm finna clean it up. As soon as I took this off, it'll start chipping. Chip, 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 chip. Yeah. Clean these screws up and all that. Yep, yep. Yes, sir. That's still good though. I just gotta upgrade. You know what I'm saying? Well, to anybody that wants to get these parts, they're up for grab, sale. You know what I'm saying? Everything work. I'm gonna clean them up. You know what I'm saying? Chevy. You know what I'm saying? 350 short block, small block. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Holla at me. Man.